the kids' intelligence. You have to have the math skills to get numbers down. So thank you for supporting. Thank you, Rentula. If anybody wants to rent anything, go to rentula.com. Of course, we want to thank the Gujarati Samaj for pioneers taking the best dance form in India that exists, and we enjoy the supremacy, the grace, and the lovely costumes. The thank Ashish and Marathi and Sheila for coming for the meeting and bringing the whole Marathi Samaj. Of course, the Hindu Temple Pack. Thank you for the support. If anybody wants to hop on in the bus, please feel free. We want to thank the Jewel of India for coming and having Miss Florida. Of course, we want to thank the IIT, this organization of Delaware, who does bigger events.
Kids, all kids, on my right hand side, please. And put your flags here.
So we want to welcome everybody at the Hindu Temple for the 4th annual India Independence Day Parade. We started this 4 years ago and we had just about 40 people attend. Second year we had a little more growth. This year we actually were nervous, but I think this is the best turnout. So first of all, give a big round of applause to all the groups who have come here. And this is the largest number of groups we've had. And we want to first thank the Hindu Temple, Sharma ji, Bal, Subbu, and the entire team, Ravi ji, for really creating this today and making this a grand success. So, big round of applause to Hindu Temple. We would also like to welcome Mr. Tom Gordon. Tom Gordon, our Newcastle County Executive, who's been here for consistently last 3 years. And we really welcome your support and we appreciate you being there, and we will call you in a few minutes to say a few words. We also want to thank the organizations who have been there for all the 4 years, and that being IID. IID needs no introduction, they're right there. IID is the largest organization which does bigger and larger events, and they have their India Fest coming up soon. So please do visit August 29, Bob Carpenter Center, India Fest. So we want to thank IID who has supported us for all 4 years. So thank you IID, and Perry Patel for always supporting and making this a grand success as well. This year we do welcome a lot of different other organizations, and we want to welcome the Gujarati Samaj. Ela Roy, who kind of got a few ladies, has the beautiful dandiya sticks. So raise it up, girls. Thank you, Gujarati Samaj, with the lovely dandiya sticks for being here. And you all look lovely with the gorgeous costumes. And we want to thank the Marathi Mandal, Ashish, Shaila Vaidya, who attended the meeting. So we want to thank Marathi Mandal for being here. And definitely next year we want to see Marathi dance, Lavani and Lazim on the parade. So thank you Marathi Mandal.
But don't forget Juhi. She's the behind hand all these things for the last 4 years. Give her a big hand.
Thank you Sharma ji. And I also want to thank the DUCL, which is a cricket club. They have got the big crew with the cricket bats, and you know that cricket is the national sport of India. So we are very proud to have you. We also saw King 11 jerseys. That's another cricket club organization. Again, we want to thank the Krishna Village for being part of this. Where is Ravi? Ravi, thank you for coming here. And Krishna Village will next time promising us they'll bring Krishna and walk in the parade. So thank you. And again, we have Rentula.com. Rentula.com is an organization which you can rent anything. You don't have to travel with all this stuff. You could have rented the tractor right here, and it would have been here. You would have rented the flags here, you would have been here. But yes, you can't rent one thing, and that's the good heart of all this big crowd that's here. So we would obviously not be able to rent them, but their spirit, their heart is like unimaginable. Today I'm so proud to have so many people here, so I'm so happy. Thank you. Again, Delaware Malayali Association is here too. Thank you very much. And Kannada Samaj is here. Raise your hands, everybody, Kannada Samaj. And if I miss anybody, please do tell me. Of course, our Newcastle County Police, which made this parade a very safe parade. And the lovely horses, I mean, that gives an additional flavor to the parade. That lovely band of people in the tractor, the last tractor that was here with the dole. Malayali Association, big round of applause. You guys did awesome. And we would love to dance on that dole in a short while. Again, we want to thank my organization, Jewel of India. My husband Anil, who actually took care of the house while I was doing all this, and of course has got a lovely patriotic song CD that he played in a lovely convertible and was hosting. That's what husbands are for. And he was hosting our Miss India International 2015. Janvi, please welcome her. She's come all the way from Florida just to attend this parade. So we want to thank Janvi, Miss India International, and I'm going to hand this mic to Sharma ji to invite Tom Gordon and the VIPs that are here. Thank you.
Zuhi, before you go, please introduce the dancers from New York. They are here. They got stuck in the traffic, but they made it.
All right. I don't want to give away too much of it because that's a nice surprise cultural program to follow. We do want to welcome Ravi ji. Please come here. I know you were stuck in traffic, but you made it at the right time. Flag hoisting is the key to the parade. I mean, you can walk the parade, but the flag hoisting is the spirit showing the unity between America and India. And please come here. All these dancers who are going to perform, they are professional group. It's called Natya STEM. They have performed all over India and New York, and they have made it here. And we are going to see some great classic work after the flag hoisting. So please do come in. Everybody, all the dancers come here. We want to welcome you from New York, and we are looking forward for your entire beautiful 80-minute performance, which is going to be mind-blowing. So I know you've seen the lovely local crowd perform today. We thought we'd bring a different flavor to this, event. So please, few words from one of you about your organization. All right, we'll give it to Sharma ji.
Thank you, Zoe, and thank you all of you. Happy Independence Day. Come on, say Happy Independence Day back. Bharat Mata ki long live. There you go. I'm very happy to be here, and without further ado, we invite Tom Gordon, our Grand Marshal for the parade, and he is the executive for Newcastle County. Many of you know Tom. In case you don't know, you make sure you know him, because shake hands with him. Is a very personable man, and he will remember your name and he'll give you his mobile number too. No, I'm just kidding. Very, very nice man. Tom has been here with us and helping us from the beginning of the temple since 1999-2000. He was the one instrumental in giving us permits, building our occupation certificates, and also for the final phase 2 years ago for our Rajagopura project and everything in between. We owe him a lot. The most important thing is, I hate to say this, he is more enthused about this parade than we are. Every year he calls us and tells when is the parade, and then he brings them out and has seen it and the petroleum. Tom, we are very thankful for making our parade a very grand success. Next year, please make sure to join and make Tom happy, make all of us happy. So without further ado, we'll do the flag hoisting and the national anthem singing, and then Tom will have a few remarks. Okay? Right. Let's see, is Bernadette here? Bernadette for the American national anthem. Okay, you just stay right here, and then we'll get this ceremony underway. Shanti Bhai? I need Shanti Bhai. Where is Shanti Bhai? Is he coming? Alright, please come, Shanti Bhai.
Yeah, you can say that.
1 second. Shadaji, where is that Uttariyam I put on the cow? Yeah, please bring. Please give a nice welcome to Tom Gordon. Come on! I need the three. Rohan. Tom, this is India's tricolors, blessed by Gomata. This is for you. Thank you very much. So next up is flag hoisting. First Indian flag and then US flag. Oh, so then she's first Indian flag. Yeah. Yeah.
भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!
God bless America.
God bless
America. God bless.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed, and the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of free and the home of the brave?
Okay, I want to, let's light this candle here. Everybody yell as loud as you can. Long live America! Long live America! Long live India! Long live India! Long live America! Long live America! Long live India! Long live India! Long live America! Long live America! Long live India! Long live India! Now let me thank everybody for coming today. Isn't this the most beautiful building in the state of Delaware? And all the hard work that went into bringing in the people from India, the architects and the artists. Let me thank the county police, mounted, motorcycle unit, Delaware State Police are here, Wilmington Police are here. Lieutenant Colonel Jameson, Frank Cook Security. We have, and you're being videoed on our TV channel, statewide channel 29 on Verizon and 22 on Comcast. So you can get to see all this if you're watching on TV. But I'm told this is the 69th celebration of the independence of India. If you know India, India is a country that is 1.2 something billion. That's 4 times the size of America, and it's the largest democracy in the world. We need to tell everybody that. India is an independent democracy, just like us, our big brother overseas. And America has 300 million, and we're proud to host 30 million Indians who found their home here in America, and we're very proud of that. And I think we need to brag more about that. I think it's not understood in this country. The talent, unless you go to the hospital and see the doctors and go to the tech place and see technicians, you don't necessarily know how great and beautiful the Indian community is. Now, I always bragged that I was, a long time ago, I was a police officer and police chief. But I never arrested the child of an Indian family. And I have to say, there's something going on here that works. Never caught them selling drugs. I think Frank Cook will tell you this. And, you know, we need to take what's right with your community and blend it with the rest of the community. It's a great community. I'm proud to be here today.
Thank you.
And,
Thank you, Tom.
now I want to advertise the Indian Fest, September 29th, which I will be there, Bob Carter Center. It's on our TV show. You need to see it. It's beautiful. All the beautiful women are going to be out there in India. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom. We have to hear from Shantibai. He is the oldest and he is one of the people that actually knows Gandhi.
I don't know. He never asked me to do that. Anyway, I will be very, very brief. 47 years ago when I came here, India was a developing country. When India became independent and the British left, it was an underdeveloped country. 47 years ago, it was a developing country. Today, it is fully developed country. When NASA asks you to send the satellite for them on the Indian rockets into the sky, when all the key IT companies have as their heads people from Indian origin, and there are so many scientists, so many doctors, I think we have made a mark. And India, therefore, can be regarded as a fully developed country, and I am very proud of it. And I think we should keep in touch with our country, our motherland, and the values that the motherland has taught us, we should practice here, as Mr. Tom Gordon said. Thank you and goodbye.
All right, nice. Bring it back to you. One second. I have to thank Bernadette from St. Mark's High School. They were practicing their band yesterday behind my house. I walked up to them. I said, could you guys come and sing? And right off the bat, she came. Very nice. Good job.
I just want to thank Sharma ji for believing that we could create a nice parade every year to year over here. And we will continue doing that. We enjoy the support of the entire community this year. And with Tom Gordon and our community support, we are going to rock. And I do want to just give a few minutes to my Miss India, who's come all the way from Florida, to say a few words. Thank you so much for being here.
Hello, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. And I'm so happy to be here with all of you today. And I can't wait to talk to you all and interact with everyone. Thank you.
Let's call each member of each organization up here. The DUCL, come and talk a few things about our national sport, cricket. And then we have Malayali Association, IID. Please, everyone line up and I'll give you a few words to say.
When I was growing up, India's national sport was hockey, so I don't know when it changed to cricket. But anyway, just
So whatever already says thanks. But one thing I would like to say is cricket doesn't have any religion. Okay. So we have around this year 18 teams and 18 clubs participating in the UCL. And when we started, we thought that only few guys play around the backyard of the school, and there are situations that police came and get out of the ground. Now today we have 2 grounds, official grounds in Lumspan, and I'm thankful for Sharma ji and Baladi garu giving this opportunity to be here. And we would like to represent all the independent clubs coming in the next few years. And moreover, it's not only cricket what we are doing in the DECL. This year we had a volleyball tournament, and another one good thing was the kids camp. We conducted in August, and the response was so overwhelming that all the parents asked us to go for another one, and to do that we are doing in September, May, and watch out for our emails and threads, and have your kids to come and play with the cricket. And I have here our few colleagues and Kaga and the Shambhu and others, say all from the organization here represented today. So if you want one word.
Thank you, and Vande Mataram. We would like to thank Juhi who invited us, and we are part of it now. So we will be promoting cricket as well as summer kids cricket camp. So mid-September we invite all the families to be there, and also for the finals which will be in October. So we invite everyone to come be there, cheer up the teams. That's it. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Next organization, IID. A few words.
Hello everyone. Having fun? Yeah! Alright, very good. So IID, most of you know the IID organization, Indo-American Association of Delaware. It has been around since 1984. We do India Fest is our biggest event, which is coming up 2 weeks from now, Saturday, August 29th at University of Delaware, Bob Carpenter Center from noon till 10:30 p.m. We also have a special, for the first time, Garba night, that's about 8:30 in the evening. So please join us, it'll be a fantastic program. The IID, we've done a lot of things over the years. We have a youth program, we have a seniors program, we have a health fair. In a sense, first of all, I want to thank the Hindu Temple for arranging everything today. Thank you so much. Thanks for having us. And you provide the spiritual strength to the community. Hopefully, we provide the cultural strength to the community. And we've been around since '84, sort of an umbrella organization for most of the organizations here, and we appreciate everyone's support. Thank you so much. Have fun, and thank you again for coming out tonight.
Alright, let's call the Marathi Samaj, Shaila Vaidya, and also Gujarati, Ela Roy, please come here. Jewel of India, Anil. Jewel of India does cultural fashion shows, beauty pageants, and brings fashion and glamour to the Indian community. And we have a big fashion show in World Cafe Live on September 5th. So please join us there to see beautiful ladies and beautiful Indian costumes. So please, Shaila Vaidya.
Thank you. This is, I'm talking on behalf of DBMMM. It's the Marathi Mandal. However, Biren Shah ji said it very rightly, and it's as an Indian, we are coming here together, and the Hindu temple gives us that opportunity, the philosophical opportunity, and all the cultural samajas and mandals give us the cultural opportunity. So I really support what Dr. Biren said.
Thank you very much. Next time we see Lazim. Ela Roy, Gujarati Samaj, GSD. Kumar Bhai.
On behalf of Gujarati Samaj, I want to say that we are very pleased to be associated with the temple. We really do a lot of things at the temple. Mr. Gordon, thank you very much for coming over here. And I just want to say that forthcoming events for the Gujarati Samaj are the Navratri function, which is well attended by everyone. So look at the GSD website and you will know all the where we are holding them. And that's a very big event in the community. Again, thank you, Sharmaji, for everything. Enjoy, appreciate the help.
All right, so Malayali Association, Delaware Malayali Association, please come here.
First of all, happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram, guys. Vande Mataram. So I'm from the Delma Association, which is Delaware Malayali Association. One thing that I see here is a lot of children, so that's great. Give it up to the kids. It's actually burning hot, but kids, great job. And I hope this time I see about maybe 400 people. I hope it's going to be 4,000 the next year. Thanks to the Hindu Temple for organizing this. This is great. Thanks so much for being here. So again, happy Independence Day, guys.
All right, the Hoysala Kannada, I think I'll have Sharmaji invite them. They're not here, but Bengali Samaj. Mr. Roy, Bengali. And Krishna Village, Rentula, please come forward. Ravi from Krishna Village and Rentula.
Namaskar. Namaskar, Dada. Namaskar. Bhalo achen?
Happy Independence Day, Namaskar. As you know, the Bengali community is very, very active at the temple. So October 15, 16, 17, Durga Puja, as you know, is a big celebration. So please join us that day. Thank you.
The next is the cultural program to follow. And they all come here from New York City. It's a professional program, so Kannada Sangha is here too. Thank you for coming.
Hello, Namaskara Ellargu, Kannada Sangadinda. This is from Kannada Sangha. Happy Independence Day, everybody. Hope you have fun. Thank you.
Alright, last but not the least, I want to call my husband who supports me and my Jewel of India organization. Thank you. And he's behind some of the construction on this temple, and thank you for having him in the team.
Well, आप सबको स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. Enjoy your freedom. Since my wife called me to talk about Jewel of India, I'll be very brief. Jewel of India, basically we do beauty pageants, fashion shows, and a lot of other events to promote our Indian culture. We started with beauty pageant to give our girls a platform, a confidence to move forward in life. This is not our bread and butter. This is all the passion of my wife, Juhi Jagyasi. This is her passion. That's what she does for her passion, to give back to the community. And we are very thankful for all of your support. So enjoy your cultural program and follow by the lunch. Thank you.
Alright, so the last is to line up if you want to take a tour of the temple at the steps.
But before Anil leaves the stage, Zuhi introduced him as he did the construction, but it is my duty to say that, Zuhi. Please give a nice round of applause for Anil. He is the structural engineer behind all these things that you are saying. He did Anil, logistics.
So before I say the logistics, once again, thanks Tom for all your support. Thanks Newcastle County Police. Thank you for all your support. And thank you all for coming this morning for exactly on the Independence Day. Yeah. So today happened to be exactly Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Okay, so next one is there's a cafeteria is open. So go ahead there and then have snacks. And then there's a cultural program. These artists came from India. They're going to present. This is for free. Just come and enjoy. And anybody who wants to know about temple or tour, just let me know. So then we'll take care of that. All right. Thank you again. Just thank you and just enjoy the rest of the day.
Anybody has their voice left, he can come here and shout all you want.
Ravi from Rentula.com and Krishna Village. I think he was the first one to support it, and then a lot of organizations followed, of course, besides the temple and me. Is Ravi here?
Is he here? Okay guys, let me thank on behalf of Telugu Network. Telugu Vallu! Telugu Vallu! Okay, and the kids actually, Swaman Garu, thank you so much for bringing the kids. They sang the national anthems. Thank you so much, and everyone, thank you so much, and see you next year, maybe August 16. Tamil Network, anybody is here? Vidya. என்னம்மா தமிழ் தெரியுமா?
வந்தே மாதரம். சுதந்திர தினம் வாழ்த்துக்கள் everybody. Happy Independence Day. Have lots of fun here. Thanks for coming today. We really enjoyed the parade. Please stay back for the entertainment. We have come from all the way from India. Have fun, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidya.
Good job. I'm going to run into one. Oh, sure. I love that. It's so good. Go on the back side, you have to connect here. You're taking pictures from here. Yeah.